Hello students, and welcome to Ms. Pfeiffer's homepage. As you can see, there is a picture of me along with my email address. Also listed is the school phone number. Students, please do not call the school phone number when trying to contact me. You will need to contact me through Teams, which I will show you how to do when we are in class. So you will also see on the website a little biography about myself, as well as my office hours for hybrid schedule. The first 2 weeks of school, we will be on what's called a hybrid schedule. On Monday, 9th graders will come to school. On Tuesday, sophomores will come to school. On Wednesday, juniors will come to school. And on Thursday, seniors will come to school. On Friday, all students will be expected to work online. So if you run into problems on Friday, you need to contact me between 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. if you want a quick response or want help quickly. I will be available. After that, you may leave me a message and I can get back to you if I have time. So now that I have explained and you have seen the home page and my office hours, I want you to look at the courses taught. Okay. Now, I will be teaching 2 classes this semester. I will be teaching nutrition across the lifespan. That will normally take place during 1st and 4th block. And then nutrition, science, and diet therapy will take place during 2nd block when we are in person. Each week, you will need to first go to your class and click on the week for your weekly assignments.